back to you? Nope, we're not doing that again.
All right, let me get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Are you having some trouble, Millie? Try it from that end.
Good girl. Good boy. Well done. Courtney.
Look at there. Look at there. Oh, would you look at there.
I think you finally annoyed him.
I have this one, so cute.
Down.
Are you really gonna bite?
Yes.
You really gonna bite? Just right along.
Get down.
She eat it.
What's it? You having fun? Go.
They're all making fun of you, stupid. You get that stuff?
What are you doing?
Hi, Biggie. Hi, Mommy. Hi. Hello. Hello.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Había tenido que hacer esas preguntas. Tampoco imaginé que al casarme con mi mejor amigo iba a encontrar... Hey, do you think maybe? Hey, do you think maybe I could dig for a little pet? I just feel like you've been digging for a little.
Oh God! I'll never make it this time! This is the end!
Niki, tegen hem Niki, smile.
Oh dear.
You even real? Like, look at that face. Look at that face. Ugh, you're freaking perfect.
Do you want to go for a walk? You want to go outside? Do you want a treat?
Hey!
Excuse me, that's my hair.
Oh, she's stealing! She's stealing! Oh!
I had a couple Red Bulls. Have you ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before. Really like Red Bull. I got a new necklace. Glows in the dark.
He has to. There it goes. There he goes. Get in there. Get that bubble. Get it.
Okay. Wow, that's a heavy sack. Oh my goodness. So pretty.
Good girl. Come in. Oh my God.
Hey, are you a good girl? Or are you a bad girl?
Santa.
Is it too late now to say sorry?
Tucker. Tucker.
One more time.
What are you doing, Callie?
Ridiculous.
Живой.
Hey, trouble. Are you gonna make trouble?
Hey, get out of here. Hey, get
Bruh. Fix that neck. Ronan.
Divine. Can I stop? And look at that. Oh, can I stop?
Should I cut that one?
You cut that.
Well, looks like I'm trapped in the shitter.
Wait! What? Wait!
Something so small has got so much energy. Oh, you okay? I'm so sorry.
Stretch. What are you doing? Look at there. Look at there. Oh, would you look at there?
I think you finally annoyed him.
Can you do the head tilt? Can you shake your tilts? Barnum, can you do a head tilt?
Something so small has got so much energy.
What did you do? Creepy.
Tommy.
Você tá fazendo aí, cara?
Oh my gosh. Who's done that? No. Who's done all this? You've been in a cupboard. Stop it!
Taco for dog.
That's my boy. No, my boy! Father, help!
Coffee.
Out of here. What?
We taught Noah to run away, otherwise he's gonna get knocked over.
Are you messing that up, dear? Why are you doing that?
I'm not doing anything.
No?
Every night.
Ow!
I don't know how the deer got in the yard. Oh my gosh, now I know how the deer got in the yard.
Taco for dog.
Oh, we got another poopy.
And now I want to sit back and relax and enjoy my evening. When all of a sudden I hear this agitating, grating.
Y muere.
¡Ay, hueputa, muerte horrible!
What have you done? What have you done? Bonnie! Who is
I guess when you got an itch, you got an itch. Huh, Tara?
And you think, well, I can't not Eddie.
Get it.
Come on. Come on.
Shit, all I remember going out, I didn't.
Mira lo que has hecho. Milan. Mira lo que has hecho. Oye.
Say what's up, hey. Say what's up.
Mommy doesn't need it moved. Hutch.
Oh, is that where you wanted it? I'm so sorry.
야, 시름이 완전 쫄았어.
How will you get it? Yeah, this way.
Dior, what are you doing, Dior?
Jak ty wyglądasz?
Massive.
Odie May. Hey! You've got to be fucking kidding me.
Who did this? Who did this?
Hang on! Stop! You don't want to do this! Listen, I've been a good boy! I've been a good boy, please! I've been such a good boy! Don't do it!
You got a good hold of her?
Yeah.
God damn it. Are you joking?
Bobo, Jesus.
Oh, yeah.
Buddy, it's okay.
The German short-haired pointer is an all-purpose gun dog developed in Germany in the 19th century from Italian, French, and Spanish pointers. He's an exceptionally fine all-around hunting dog.
Pretty sure this dog's used to arrests by now.
Jesus, Daddy, get up.
No, I don't feel like playing. I don't feel like it. Maybe.
Just down and stay. Down, stay. Nope. Hey, stay. Down. Stay. No. Ah! Kill John Lennon. Kill John.
I can't get her up.
Look at that butt. Look at it. Look at that butt.
Bruh! Fix that neck. Ronan.
Estas son las mañanitas que cantaba. Esas son.
Who did this? Huh?
Think she's a cat. You're not a kitty, you're a doggy.
Benji! Is Benji sleeping? Oh, sorry, I didn't want to wake you, boy. It's Benjamin! It's coming. Freedom! That's right.
Reg!
Sí. Dale, pues al sordo. Dile que ya está el pollo. Al sordo, Mike.
You to come see your dog.
What'd you do over there?
Bailey! Oh my!
야, 시리 완전 쫄았어.
Bro, what? Really?
Estas son las mañanitas que cantaba. Esas son.
Do Superman, do Superman, do Superman.
Odie May! Hey! You've got to be fucking kidding me.
What are you doing, buddy? Since when do you like...
Back when I tell you!
What are you doing? What?
And you think, well, I can't not Eddie.
Hell, you look so damn happy. This what you want?
Oh my gosh! Who's done that? No. Who's done all this? You've been in a cupboard.
What are you doing?
Are you having some trouble, Millie? Try it from that hand.
He's gone. Loki, whisper. Yes, good boy. Good boy.
This is what we came home to tonight. That's Flower. Lulu.
Darling, did you have dinner?
I know, baby.
I'm zooming in my room. My zoom is off forever. My zoom is all together. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide. Smooth.
So besides the movie night,
Hey, bro, you couldn't even let me put the food down, bro?
¿Qué te golpeaste a ti? Ven, amor, ven.
Butter, you having fun? Go.
Tyson.
Crate.
Crate. No.
Brooklyn, in the ball.
Yeah! How the freak did you get up here? What the heck? Come, nope, you got it. Let's go.
Stretch, stretch, stretch! Yeah! What the fuck are you doing? You're both girls! Lesbians!
Yeah. Look at you, bro. You ugly as the fuck. Watch this, y'all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Reg! Is it fun, Carson?
Are you smiling at me? You look so proud of yourself. Get up. Oh my God.
There we go.
To get Man City up the field.
No, you don't. ¡Hala! ¡Yuhu! ¡Llegó la pio!
Stop! That thing could probably jump over the fence.
This.
Tucker. Tucker.
One more time.
ไปสอนลูอีเต้นมั้ง
Drop that duck. Drop that duck.
I am not demure.
Non mais c'est une blague.
Oh my god! I'm falling over!
Okay. Hey.
Year. Oh, Jazzy, well, I guess that was a perfect timing. So I said, I guess I could get another year.
What's this?
It's a short leg. Hey!
Nope.
Kembang ba?
Why is he in a tree laying down?
Courtney, sit. Reggie, sit.
Hey, man.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Will you look at me, Milton?
Vai, cachorro feliz, feliz, feliz. Cachorro feliz.
Or do you love me? Which one is it? Pooh? Or me? Me? I love you.
Yo, what do I do if my dog just start walking on 2 feet? What do I do?
This is what we came home to tonight. That's Flower. Lulu.
No! Oh! Scout! Why are you...
Come on, get up. Yes. Get up.
Hey, baby. I live in the shadows. Justice.
Exactly. That's why you got a pepper on right there. You is not about to shit on my floor.
Well, today, Mr. J.
Treat. Treat. Hill. Treat. Treat.
I missed.
Oh, we got another movement!